All right, we're gonna work double digits now. So 5 MBT 6 with double digits. Double digit divisors. All right, so let's start with one that we would already know. We already know our 12s. So let's go ahead and work with that. We have 365 divided by 12. I know that I cannot get a group of 12 out of 3, but how many groups of 12 can I get out of 36? 3. 3 times 12 is 36. Subtract, you have nothing. Drop down, and that would be 0 times 12 is 0. Subtract, remainder of 5. Now, in this situation, this is nothing new to you. This is, the steps are still there. We've done all of this last week. The only difference is we have double digits right there. We have 2-digit divisors. I went ahead and started one with factors we would already know, but let's move into something we would not know, okay? So again, I showed you this one to know that even though we have double digits, the steps are the same. Nothing changed here. So let's look at 855 divided by 45. Now we don't know our factors of 45. So we're gonna have to do some work over on the side. Okay, I know I cannot get a group of 45 out of 8, so I'm gonna move over to 85. I wonder if I could get 2 groups of 45 out. So let's multiply that and see. This is 10 and that's 9. That's too much. I'm only looking for 85. That's way too much. Well, not way too much, a little bit too much. So I have to go back to 1. 1 times 4 is 45. Subtract, and I have 40, and I drop my 5. Okay, now 9 is as high as I can go because you can't put a double digit in one place value. We've never done that. We never will. So we're going to go 45 times 9. That's the highest as I can go. I'm going to see if that will help me or if I need to go down some. So here we have 45, and here we have 36 plus 4 is 40. Dead on. So 9, so 405. Subtract, I have no remainder. Okay, let's look at 225 divided by 25. I know I can't get a group of 25 out of 2. I know I can't get a 25 out of 22. There's not enough there for me to even take a group. So over here I'm going to do my work, and I'm going to do 25 times 8. So here I have 40, and here I have 16 plus 4 is 20. So that's 200. That's close, but is it close enough? Let's just check that next number to make sure. So this is 45. This is 18 plus 4 is 22. So there it is. So 9 times. 9 times 25 is 225, and I have no remainder. Same process, except for you're doing work over here. And if you remember, 3 weeks ago, we were multiplying like this, and I taught you how to multiply like this for a reason, because we're going to be using it right now. So we know how to do this. This is not new. The steps are not new. The only thing new is that we have a double digit here, and we actually have to figure out because we don't know our factors. So we have to do a little bit of work on the side to figure it out. All right, let's try one more. Let's do 4,281 divided by 66. I know I can't get a group of 66 out of 4. I can't get a group of 66 out of 42. There's not enough there. But I could get groups of 66 out of 428. So I'm going to work with 428. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just guess. Let's do 66 times 5. That's 30. And that's 33. Okay, I might could get closer than that. I'm looking for the 400s here. So let's go 66 times 7. That's 42, and that's 46. Oh, I went too high, didn't I? So let's go down to 66 times 6. Here I have 36, and here I have 39. So this was too low. This was way too high. So I have to go down to 6. So I'm going to have a 6 right here, and I'm going to put 396 under and subtract. When I subtract, I have 32 with regrouping right here. You have 32, okay, subtraction. and drop your 1. So now I have to think about 66 times what is close to 321. Well, 5 was too high. It was 330. So let's try, 66 times 4. 66 times 4, that's 24, and that's 26. So I'm going to have to use 4 because 5 was too high. So I'm going to have a 4 right here. I'm going to have 264, and I'm going to subtract that, and I have 57 after I regroup. So my remainder is 57. We've never had a remainder so high. As long as your remainder is not higher than your divisor, then it's okay. If your remainder was higher than your divisor, that means you could have taken a whole nother group out. You didn't go high enough. So as long as this is less than your divisor, your remainder is less than your divisor, you're good to go. So my answer is 64 with a remainder of 57.